drop one in there. And as you're screwing, just kind of press it in there. So I'll do that one first, so then I can really get it straight. It doesn't matter which one you start with. I've always just done one of the middle ones, and then I can adjust as I go. So I didn't screw it all the way in just yet, so I'll get in there. It'll make a noise when you go all the way in. Secure that one down, and as I'm doing it, I'm checking that hole, making sure it doesn't slip where the screw's at. So as I'm screwing it, I'm not going too full force. You don't want to crack the board. So there we go. Right now I'm just going through and just making sure it's all secured. They're not going anywhere.